Now, the nice folks at Niltech did send me this product for free in exchange for this video, but I am going to give you my honest opinion on what we have here. So let's take a look at it. This is a complete, it says complete with step-by-step drawing tutorials and how to draw digital library. Nice case here for the Niltech Drawing and Sketching Essential Art Set. Niltech, nil-tech.com is their website, and they have a little strap right here which you could hold this with. Here it is right here. Let's see, put our fingers in here. There we go. So you can hang this up on a hook of some sort, right, and zip it all up. Let's look at it. The zipper is right here. Zips all the way around, close it all the way up. Okay, so let's open it up now and see what we got. Here's a little sample sketch pad that they included right here. It's got 16 sheets. So, I mean, you're ready to start drawing right out of the box right here. All right, so it's got pencil 8B, 6B, 5B, 4B, 3B, 2B, B, HB, 2H, 3H, 4H, 5H, A, and those are all pre-sharpened. Here's a look at the 4H right here. You can see, ready to go. A graphite soft right here, 6B. Charcoal medium, and charcoal medium again. All right, so I believe these are some sort of blending erasers of some sort, I think is what these are. I don't know that much about sketching, but I think you use these to kind of blend in what you're trying to do when you're drawing. This has got a clear pyramid shaped ruler, so you could put this down on your sketch pad, and I believe you can see through the ruler. So if you're trying to draw a straight line, the fact that it's clear would help you to, you know, get the line where you need it to go. Here's another pencil. This is a really neat mechanical pencil. And you just turn here for it to use that. It says just multifunction mechanical pencil. And these are some lead replacements for the mechanical pencil right here. Right, so here is an eraser. Niltech eraser right here, ready to go. Obviously, when you're sketching with pencil, gotta have a good eraser. Luckily, here's some little charcoals right here. Charcoals, you can see it's kind of getting on my fingers a little bit. Okay, so there's hard and I guess medium and soft. Yeah, hard, medium, and soft. This is the medium. It says medium on here, so hard, medium, and soft charcoal. Another type of eraser, it appears, right here. So this is clearly intended for someone serious about their sketching and their drawing and their artwork. Blending sandpaper sheets, tiny little sandpaper sheets right here, I believe is what that is. And here's some more charcoals right here that are in a case, and you can clearly see hard, medium, and soft right here. Okay, 37-piece drawing and sketching essential art set. For the young aspiring artist, I think this would be a perfect gift. Holidays are coming up, obviously, birthdays, any kind of thing like that. So everybody, what I can see with the Niltech Drawing and Sketching Essential Art Set is that this would be the perfect starter gift for anyone that's looking to get a gift for a loved one or some young person perhaps that you know that has a talent for sketching, has shown a desire to sketch, or if you think they just need something else to do, maybe getting off the video games or something of that nature. It's got a little sketch pad that comes with it, and it's got everything they need to get started in their sketching journey. The Niltech Drawing and Sketching Essential Art Set. This is definitely something that you might want to take a look at.